Welcome back, friends. Today, we will be making one of the West Africa's traditional dish. Stay tight and watch till the end. In a pot, heat up your red palm oil, but do not bleach it. Add up 3 cups of blended melon seeds and stir fries for 3 minutes. Add your meat stock, if any, or just plain water, and continue to stir if you do not want it lumpy, though some people prefer their melon soup to be lumpy. Pour in your periwinkle or prawns if you love sea creatures. This is optional. Pour in your meats and other related protein as preferred. Cover the pot and let it steam for 5 minutes. Add your crayfish, seasoning cubes, salt, pepper to your desired taste and stir gently. Cover the pot again and reduce the heat to a slow cook for another 5 minutes. Pour in any fresh leaves of your choice. Mine is our native leaves, uziza. There you have it, a fresh yummy pot of egusi melon soup. If you watched till this point and you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscription button. It takes less than 30 seconds.